Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss the tricks to solve NEET questions under the unit General Principles and Process of Isolation of Elements. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Coming for the general principle and process of isolation of elements, what are the topics you have to study? First, number one, what is the difference between minerals and ores? What are the names and formula of the important ores as per our syllabus you have to memorize? Number two, general principle and process of isolation of elements. So what is the general principle and process of isolation of elements? I am given below, kindly follow. So this is the most important for you. The step one. So naturally we are getting ores or minerals. What is the difference between ores and minerals? See, whatever we are getting from earth or sea or from living beings, that is animals and plants, we will call it as minerals. But whatever the ore, that is we can say the source of the minerals which are obtained in profitably, that is most higher percentage profit you can get, call it as ores. So more profitably, if you are extracting the element from the ore, that the source will call it as ore. It is generally available, it is called minerals. So that is the main difference. So here let me concentrate on important 5 steps. Kindly follow. It is not given in any book. Systematically, it is not given in any book. You kindly follow. So when we are getting natural ores, what is the first step? So that should be grinded with the help of grind mill into powder form. Unwanted things should be thrown out so that the concentration of that ore will increase. The step number 2, powdered ores, after becoming powder, that should be concentrated by concentrated ores. That means we have to increase the concentration of the element we are going to isolate by different techniques. A number of methods are available depending upon the nature. For example, sulfide ore transportation. Like that, a number of methods or suitable methods are available. You have to follow that method. We have to concentrate the ore. So percentage of elements in that ore will increase. Unwanted impurities will improve. Then after that, the concentrated ore we are getting, at the step 3, you should be converted into more suitable form of ore. What is the meaning of more suitable form of ore? From which we can easily extract impure metal. So that is called conversion. That is called conversion. So conversion of concentrated ore into suitable form of ore. A simple example, we can convert ore into oxide ore generally. It is easy to, or any sulfide ore like that. So that from which we can easily extract the impure metal. Then fourth step, that is, we are converted into suitable form of ore. What is the suitable form? Either calcination or or you can call it as in presence of air roasting. So either by roasting or by calcination, what will happen? We are getting correspondingly unwanted molecules will remove away. We will get a suitable form of ore. And this from the suitable form of ore, fourth step, we have to extract impure metal. There are different methods are available. You must learn that one. Then from impure metals, we have to purify into pure metals. Kindly follow. So pure metal you have to obtain from impure metal. Again, there are different techniques that you have to follow. So These are the 5 important steps. Kindly memorize. This is the most important. And each one, there are different methods you have to memorize. So let me go for the questions to be discussed. Question number 1, asked in 2016. Match items of column 1, this is column 1, with the items of column 2 and assign the correct code. What is the correct code? Suppose A signed process which is suitable for 1, 2, 3, 4 or etc. We have to see. Kindly follow. So we have to see. So same way cross-pollination process we have to suit. So A silent process, B cross-pollination, C electrolytic, C zone refining. These are different process. For which is suitable for which we have to assign. So what they are giving here, so unless you study this, you cannot do anything. For example, normally we can say froth flotation means always suitable for the correspondingly the sulfide ore, kindly follow. Zone refining normally suitable for that is germanium, silicon and germanium. So cyanide process normally used for leaching is gold. So like this, because you have studied already. So if this there, so but in that case what will happen now? Kindly follow. A equal to 4. B equal to 2. C equal to electrolytic reduction. Then you have to think of the correspondingly 3. And D zone refining 1. See, kindly follow. So this is you have to assess finally. So let us see here what is the correct answer here. So options are here given below because I cannot show you in one slide. So now I am going the code. What way they are giving? So this is A equal to, that is the first option. A means A2, B2, B3, C1, D5. Same way B, A1, B2, C3, D4. Same way C, A3, B4, C4, 5, D1. Then D, A4, B2, C3, D1. Kindly follow. Let me give a very simple idea. First, just see here. Cyanide process suitable for, I told you, purification of gold. That is 4. So cyanide is A. Just think where is 4? Kindly follow. A equal to 4. It is present in D. Kindly follow. Here it's so. In no answer, A equal to 4, it is not there. Very easy. And same way, second you go for the second froth flotation only for sulfide 2. So automatically next 2 will be B equal to here. So 4 next to 2, nowhere it is present. So answer should be D. So kindly follow. The correct answer is D. This is the way you have to analyze. So from your memory you have studied. It has to come to your mind. You have to compare. This is not any logic thinking. Only memory based. Please follow. The entire inorganic chemistry are memory based. Only organic and physical or logic behind you have to think of. Next one. So question number 2. This question was asked in NEET 2017. Let me read the question. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with cyanide ion. They have given it is leached with cyanide ion. Silver later recovered by, so A, displacement with zinc, liquefaction, B, C, distillation, D, zone refining. So what is the correct answer? So for this, what you must know, how to extract gold or silver by leaching with cyanide ion, if you understand very well, the answer will be easy. Let me explain, you kindly follow. So this is the procedure. That is chemical separation or leaching by cyanide leaching gold or silver. Here let us assume silver. The crushed ore of gold is leached with aerated dilute solution of sodium cyanide. That is cyanide leaching. Here, gold is converted into soluble cyanide complex. The gangue aluminosilicates remains insoluble, which can be separated out. See, gold, cyanide ion, oxygen, presence of water, the complex is formed with the gold and cyanide ion, the corresponding OH minus. So what will happen now? So we are removing with the help of cyanide, we are removing the gold from the impurity or silver from the impurity. Kindly follow. The next step, kindly follow. The gold can be recovered by reacting with the deoxygenated leaching solution with the zinc. Please follow. After that, we are converting into complex, gold or silver converted into complex. Then we are deoxygenated leaching with solution of zinc. In this process, gold or silver is reduced to its elemental state, zero oxidation state, and the process is called cementation. Please follow. The process is called cementation. So this is the equation. Zinc plus AuCN2, zinc CN4 twice aqueous AgU. So instead of here gold, then now you have to think of, as per question, silver you have to think of. That's all, only different. So that means what is finally, it is removing this, only zinc is used to displace the gold, kindly fall, or silver. So that is the answer. Now just see the here. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching cyanide ions. Silver is later recovered by displacement with zinc. Very, very clear. So only if you know what is leaching with cyanide ion, you can answer the question. So answer is A. Let me go for the question number 3. This is a very, very interesting question. Kindly follow. I will explain the basic theory background. Many students may not understand this one. This question was asked under NEET 2018. Considering Ellingham diagram, which of the following metal can be used to reduce alumina? Alumina means, kindly follow, the corresponding aluminum oxide. So, aluminum oxide should be reduced to displace to alumina, so that which metal you have to use. So what is the basic theory background here? Options are A, magnesium, B, zinc, C, iron, D, copper. Here one simple tricks I will give, kindly follow me. Suppose whenever you are having, suppose let me take aluminum oxide. So I am treating with the metal, some M metal. So there are 4 metals are given. So what way you have to think of? You compare this M metal, it is going to remove oxygen from aluminium. So what will happen now? The oxides of these metals should be more stable than oxides of aluminum oxide. Then only this is possible. So that will be, so what we have to use, what metal we have to use, that will be decided by Ellingham diagram. So generally I can give you idea, more basic the metal, that will easily replace the less basic metal by this the reduction. So among the 4, which is more basic, you have to think of, so according to my knowledge, that is magnesium may be the correct answer, because it is alkali, and alkaline earth metals are more basic than zinc, iron and copper, which are all under the transition elements and p block elements. Kindly follow. So let me go for what is Ellingham diagram. So, thermodynamic principle of metallurgy. Ellingham diagram is useful to select, please follow, suitable reducing agent in the reduction of metal oxide to get impure metal. Please follow. According to thermodynamics, we know delta G equal to delta H minus delta. Delta G free energy change, delta H enthalpy change, delta S entropy change. So, now let me continue here. In this case, for an equilibrium process, delta 0 can be given as delta 0 equal to minus RT ln Kf. ln K. What is ln K? ln K equilibrium constant for the particular element. Equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant. Kindly follow. By using the above equation, Ellingham calculated delta 0 values at various temperatures for the formation of different metal oxides. This is known as Ellingham diagram. Please follow. What is the Ellingham diagram? You must understand by using above equation delta 0 equal to minus RT ln K. Ellingham calculated delta 0 values at various temperature for the formation of different metal oxides. This is known as Ellingham diagram. Such the diagram helps to predict the feasibility of thermal reduction of oxide or using suitable reducing agent. The criterion feasibility is that at a given temperature, standard Gibbs free energy change reaction must be negative. Delta 0 it should be negative. That is the most important information. Spontaneous, it is feasible. Now, what you are seeing here, kindly follow. This is the Ellingham diagram. So, okay, kindly follow. So, in this Ellingham diagram, it is for to see, it is, let me try now. No, it is not coming down. Okay, let me read here. Just see in the Ellingham diagram, kindly see that. You can see now. The first one, it is plotted versus, kindly follow the delta 0 versus the temperature. It is in degree centigrade, it is plotted. We are getting different curves, Ellingham diagram. The first top in the list is silver, 4 silver plus oxygen to 2 silver oxide. It is moving upward. Then next one, that is starting from 200 plus 100, 0, minus, like that it is going on the delta 0 value. The next comes, kindly follow, mercury plus oxygen gives mercuric oxide. This is the based on stability. More negative, higher will be the stability, kindly remember. The delta 0 value, higher the negative values, more will be basic. So next copper, next nickel, next iron, next zinc, chromium, manganese, aluminium. Next below aluminium we are getting magnesium and calcium. So this diagram itself gives an idea. So what is the important thing? Kindly follow. I can tell you calcium, that is the most among the given, it is the most basic metal. So the next comes magnesium, next aluminium. So calcium greater than magnesium, greater than aluminium, greater than manganese, greater than chromium, zinc, greater than iron, greater than nickel, greater than copper, greater than mercury and silver. This is the order you have to follow. Kindly follow two other important things here. The first one, at minus 400, the delta 0 value, carbon dioxide is given. It is a constant value throughout the temperature. What is the temperature just below? 0 to 2400 it is given. 0 to 4000, that is 2200 you can say. And coming over another important gas, carbon monoxide, is very, very interesting here. It is starting from, kindly follow, minus 250 or 270, it is coming down to minus 700. So it is crossing coming below. Whenever it is coming below, it is more stable. So whatever elements above the CO, that can be easily replaced. You can treat with CO. So for example, MnO you can treat with carbon monoxide. The Mn will be replaced. Same way chromium can be treated with CO. Zinc can be used. Iron can be used. Nickel can be used. Then again copper, silver, mercury, everything we can use. Kindly follow. So this is the Ellingham diagram. Kindly follow. Now let me give you example. Ellingham diagram helps us to select a suitable reducing agent and the appropriate temperature range for reduction. The reduction of a metal oxide to its metal can be considered as a competition between elements used for reduction and the stability of the metal oxide form. If the metal oxide is more stable than the oxides of the elements used for reduction, that there is no reduction takes place. On the other hand, if the oxides of elements for reduction is more stable than metal oxide, then metal oxide undergoes reduction to produce metal in a particular temperature. For example, Ellingham diagram, for the formation of silver oxide and mercuric oxide, the upper part of the Ellingham diagram, they decompose at 600 to 700 Kelvin respectively. Degree centigrade, actually, this is centigrade respectively, and this takes place even in the absence of reducing agent. Now, what is the advantages? Ellingham diagram used to predict thermodynamic stability of reduction of metal oxide of one metal by another metal. Any metal can reduce the oxides of other metals which are located above in the Ellingham diagram. Please follow. This is the most important. So Ellingham diagram you have to memorize. Keep just close your eyes and you memorize what is the lowermost calcium. Next magnesium. Next aluminium. The next iron. Like this it is the order that should be memorized. Then it will be easy for you. You can tell which metal can be used to reduce. So it is below aluminium is the only metal is magnesium is present. So magnesium is suitable. So aluminum oxide is more stable than chromium oxide. Hence aluminum can be used to reduce chromium oxide. But aluminum cannot be used to reduce magnesium because magnesium is below. Kindly follow. So the line for the formation of carbon dioxide cuts across the line many metal oxide and hence it can reduce all those metals at sufficiently high temperature. Wherever it crosses the temperature, at that particular temperature, this oxide can be reduced by carbon dioxide. The Ellingham diagram for the formation of iron oxide and CO intersects around 600,000, that is degree centigrade. Below this temperature, CO line lies above this FeO line, which indicates FeO is more stable than CO. And here at this temperature, reduction is not thermodynamically feasible. However, above 1000 degrees centigrade, CO line lies below FeO line and hence we can use coke as reducing agent above this temperature. This can be understood with the following reaction. Kindly follow. So, now we are coming to the reaction. So, you have seen already the Ellingham diagram. Kindly see, these metals are above the Ellingham diagram. Only magnesium is below. It is more basic. That's why I told you the very, very important thing is whatever metal is more basic, that will form easily replace the less basic metallic oxide. So, among these, magnesium is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 4. This was asked in NEET 2019. Match the following. A. Chlorine. B. Haber process 2. Sulfuric acid. C. Contact process 3. Ammonia. D. Deccan process sodium azide. So what is immediately you have to think of, even though it is given in the correctly exactly between you have to identify your memory what is suitable. How pure nitrogen was normally will be obtained only from sodium azide, or so A equal to 4. This is the correct one. Then automatically, what is Haber process? Only for ammonia, so B equal to 3. What is contact process? It is for sulfuric acid, so C equal to 2. What is Deccan process? It is for chlorine, equal to 1. So answer is with us. Please follow. This is only from the memory. That is, it's a credit given for memory process. So you have go there, you have to identify A4, B3, C2, D1, where it is. Kindly follow. So options are given here. So now I will go for the correct answer is C, A4, B3, C2, D1 is the correct answer. So very, very easy. The question, if you understand easily, you should not afraid by seeing the questions. Question number 5, it was asked in NEET 2020. Identify the correct statement from the following. Let me read the question. A. See, please follow correct statement. Vapor phase refining is carried out for nickel by von Orkel method. B. Pig iron can be molded into variety of shapes. C. Wrought iron is impure iron with 4% carbon. D. Blister copper has blistered appearance due to evolution of carbon dioxide. So they have given 4 different statements. It is your idea. You have to, from the memory, you must know about what is von Orkel method, what are the metal will be used. Same way pig iron, what is different shape, everything this you have to study. What is the correct answer? The correct statement is B. Big iron can be molded into a variety of shape. This is the correct statement. Kindly follow. All other statements are wrong. So, it is testing your memory. Next question. This question was asked in 2020. 2020 it was asked. Which one of the following methods can be used to obtain highly pure metal which is liquid at room temperature? Please follow metal liquid at room temperature. Answer is with you now. Which is the metal liquid at room temperature? Only metal liquid at room temperature is mercury. So for mercury, how will you distillate? Normally distillation will be the method. Easy. So option given are A. Electrolysis, B. Chromatography, C. Distillation, D. Zone refining. So correct answer is C. Distillation is the correct answer. Next question, that is question number 7. Please follow. This is question number 7. The maximum time, this question was asked in the NEET 2021. 2021 this question was asked. The maximum temperature that can be achieved in blast furnace is A. up to 1200 Kelvin, up to 2200 Kelvin, up to 1900 Kelvin, D. up to 500 Kelvin. So you have studied under the extraction of iron using the correspondingly blast furnace, and you might have been studied about the temperature. So the lower will be the heat gases are moving below to high upward. So high, when it is coming down below, temperature increases. Kindly follow. So, but what is we have to memorize? What is the correct answer? Let us see. The option is B. B is the correct answer. That is, up to 2200 Kelvin, it is maintained in the blast furnace. Please follow. So, I hope I have come to the conclusion, my dear students. Thank you very much for your kind cooperations. If you are a newcomer for YouTube, my channel NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G channel, I request you kindly click like, click subscribe button so that as soon as my video comes, it will reach you, it will inform you. And also share this video information with your friends. Here, one important information I want to convey to the students. Why I started this NEET chemistry by Dr.R.G. Because for the last 2.5, 3 years, the entire world was suffering from corona, the pandemic condition. So I was simply sitting in the house without going outside, simply eating, sleeping, seeing the TV, etc. Then I was thinking of, why can't I can utilize this time to help poor students of India in chemistry? That idea only gave me this hope to prepare material to start a channel in YouTube, so that the poor students of India can get the help of the chemistry, NEET chemistry. So the many poor students, they are having their dream of becoming doctors, but their family situation may not be suitable for them. But even though they are studying in government schools, so they are not able to go for even tuition because they have to pay high amount for the tuition also. So for such a people, poor students, so more than 80% or 90% of our people are poor in our India. So I want to help poor students. So one way, I know only chemistry. So I want to share my knowledge with our students so that they can get a very good idea in chemistry. They can get 90 to 100 marks in board, not only in board, but also 180 out of 180 in NEET examination. So it is my idea. So, my dear student, I requested you follow my channel. If you follow systematically, starting from the basic concept of chemistry up to the end, the chemistry everyday life, +1 to +2, entire chapter I have discussed. And then I was discussing the questions also from the last 6 years question papers of NEET. So these will be very, very useful. Kindly follow. So you need not go to any tuition for chemistry. So utilize properly and try to get 100 out of 100. So God bless you, my dear students. Then another information I want to give to the students who are waiting for NEET and an examination for this coming academic year, that is students studying +2 or the students going to write repeaters, they are called a repeater, waiting for second time. For you, I have a good news to you. So we are running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 21 years. And we have achieved a lot of achievement we have done from the beginning. Everything it is given in our website, Vetri.us, in the home page. Please go through Chrome or Explorer, type Vetri.us, our site will open. Go below and see the web page and their achievement. You can click, entire photograph will come starting from 2000. Starting from 2000 to 2021, all photographs. So first important achievement is, in 2003, R. Srinivasa Raghavan, a student of Patrick's school in Pondicherry, came All India first in JIPMER. In JIPMER, All India first, he got the rank. He got the All India first rank. More than 10 lakhs people have written. Out of 10 lakhs, he got in first rank. We have started only 99. Within 3 or 4 years, we got this first rank. This is the first achievement of Vetri Coaching Center. The second achievement is, for the last 20 years, except 1 or 2 years, every year our student got Pondicherry first rank. Pondicherry first rank means throughout nearly some 10 to 12,000 students are writing exam. Among the 12,000 first rank, and also they will be in all India rank also. They will be going for it 20, 30, 40 like that rank will come, but they will be first. So this is also given in proof with the photograph, school, everything, name you can verify from our website. Whatever is saying, everything is 100% true. The third important achievement is every year our students, minimum 10, maximum 20 students are going to JIPMER through our Vetri Coaching Center starting from the 2000 to 2020. Kindly follow. This is our achievement. 150 to 200 students are going to other medical colleges through government quota by merit. They are joining. Few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students are joining other engineering colleges. This is our achievement. Next, let me come for our website, the features of our Vetri Daughters. We have a website, Vetri Daughters. It is a low cost. Please follow. It is a low cost, only 10,000 rupees per year. Only 10,000 rupees per year. You go for other online coaching, they will collect in lakhs. But quality-wise, we are far, far better than anybody. You can compare and you can come to the conclusion. So what are the important features of Vetri Daughters? Let me explain. Number one, Vetri Daughters is containing 200 video lessons, 200 unit tests. Please follow. 200 unit lesson means professor with a doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of experience teaching IIT medical coaching, also teaching a BSc, MSc and MPhil PhD students are taking class in the video lessons. And when you view the video lesson, you can feel classroom coaching. The professor will stand in front of the board, he will writing on the board, erasing, everything you can see. Only thing is you cannot interact. That interaction is also available in our website if you come by online coaching. There is the online coaching also we have. That means directly online coaching means everybody, that is, please follow one important thing. All are following the Google Meet. It is using the Google Meet or Cloud of China. But ours is only the software written by our own team, headed by G. Ganesh. So here, more than 1 crore at a time they can see. More than 1 crore people can at a time can see, you can view, and also not only view, you can interact by chatting. Not you cannot talk, chatting is there. You can raise question by typing that. The professor is standing in front of the board. This is an interactive board. He will see what your question with your name, from state, from school, everything. He will read immediately and will explain. That provision is also available. Okay, let me come for the video lesson. What is the advantage of video lesson is full of notes, abstract will be given. So any information is new for you, you can touch the video, it will stop. You can take green shot, then again touch, it will run now. Any number of times you can repeat it because it is always with you. That means Vetri Daughters is the professor coming to your house and teaching. They are coming to your house and teaching. If you join, it's a low cost, I told you already. Let me come for 200 unit test. What is the unit test? So we have, for example, as a chemist, I have in chemistry there are 30 units. In this case, isolation, general procedure and isolation of elements from ores. This is again containing 2 tests. Each test containing 45 questions. Each. Test 1, test 2. Kindly follow. Suppose why I am giving 2 tests for each unit, there is a reason for that one. To assess self-assessment and to improve the quality that we are giving this. This is available only in Vetri Daughters and not other online coaching center. Suppose if you are entering into our site and after entering into the chemistry, for example, there is so many menus, lesson, announcement, test, like the discussion, etc. The student view, etc. will be there. So we have to go for test, click the test, it will enter inside, a window will open. There is a menu called attempt. You click attempt. When you are click attempt, a window will open. Immediately window will open. In the window, you can see it is contained, it will be saying information it is giving. This unit, that is our general classification of general isolation of elements from words. That is, there are 45 questions. Each question carries 4 options. One of the option is correct. For correct answer 4 marks, wrong answer -1. Are you ready? It will ask. Then if you are ready, what you have to do, keep your rough notebook and your pen ready to work out. Then click OK, immediately a window will open. In the window, just see question number 1, you can see. Option A, option B, option C, option D, you can see. There is clock will run by 45 minutes below down. Then there is 3 menus, kindly follow. One is center is complete. This is next. This is the reverse. So next means you have to go for next question, you have to press. Reverse means reverse, you have to press. Complete means only you have to touch after completing all the 45 questions. And below which, kindly follow, there's another important option. Please follow. This is not available in any other online leading coaching. That is 1 to 45 number in yellow color will be there. Say for example, as a student, you are reading the question number 1 and you assume A is the correct answer. You just touch the A. When you touch means immediately what will happen? It will be clicked. So your number 1 to 40, number 1 becomes green color. Number 2 becomes blue color. All other will be yellow color. So then press next, second question will open. You go proceed again one by one. It is not necessary. If you do not know, don't answer. Go again. Suppose after 20 minutes, you compare, see the minutes, the clock and the 1 to 45 questions, whatever green number, whatever yellow number, you just simply count and see. So how many questions still you have to attend. So you can, instead of going next, you can directly go to the yellow color, lowermost yellow, press it, that question will be displayed. So this advantage is not available in any other coaching, online coaching. Okay. After finishing everything, you click complete. When you click complete, immediately a window will open. You will get marks. Mark will be displayed. That is, our software will do program, with the help of program, will do calculation. What way? For each question, it will multiply by 4 marks. For wrong answer, it will subtract 1 mark. Total marks will be given. Suppose, let us assume a student is getting 140 out of 180 in the first test. He wants to know where he has done mistake. So provisions are given here in Witty.S, but other online coaching, it is not given. What way? Just see here. Next to the mark, there is a menu called review menu. Review. You can review the questions. You press now review, a window will open. What will happen now? Question number 1, you can see A, B, C, D option is there. And also correct answer, it is given, correct answer will be given in yellow color. Kindly follow. Correct answer will be given in yellow color. And below that, there is another thing, video solution will be there. Please follow. These 2 provisions not available in any other online leading coaching center. So, suppose first question, what you assume you have done, click A. So, your answer will be in blue color. Correct answer is yellow color. So, you compare your answer blue, correct answer yellow. If both are same answer, your answer is right. If blue is not coincide with yellow means your answer is wrong. So you can come to the conclusion where you have done mistake. Then if you want to assess, no problem. Don't approach anybody, any book, anything. Go and touch the video solution. Immediately, professors with the doctor degree and 20 to 30 years of experience will stand in front of you taking class. You can see they are standing in front of a board. Questions will be there, option will be there. They will read what way I have taken class just now. The same way they will class. They will discuss the theory background, questions, everything they will discuss. So even a dull student, average student can understand the concept easily. But if you go for other online center coaching, see, they will give one word or one line or two lines, type the matter. They will not say nothing. No information will be given. From which unit it is coming, what is the actual thing. Nothing will be indicated. It is something like a machine-like. But ours is interaction, own interaction. Kindly follow. So each and every question we have one video solution. So we have 200 units, 200 into 45 questions. So each and every question we have one video solution. Just imagine such a very heavy work we have done. So if you go through our vetted daughters, definitely I can give you assurance you will get 650 to 700 marks out of 720, 100% you will get. If you start from +1, if you join with us, 100% guarantee you will get now 650 to 700. So, thank you very much, students. I told you already it is a low cost. How to pay this amount to the 10,000 rupees? Pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Petri Coaching Center, through our Indian Bank account number 71271941, IFC code number IDIB000P134, cell number 989417645. My dear students, when I was discussing the theory, I was in India. Now I am in UK because along with my daughter, who is working as a gynecology doctor in Wolverhampton. So, if you want to contact me, to contact only internet phone, WhatsApp phone, internet or message, you can contact me. So, thank you very much. See you again in my next chapter. Bye-bye.